can you solve this geometry challenge? Here's the question. Given this square, and take note this figure is not drawn to scale, from this point inside the square, let's draw some segments like this. And those angles are congruent. Now, this segment measures 2 units, this is 3 units, this is 4 units, and this is x units. So the question is, what is the length of this segment? X. Now, pause this video right now and see if you can answer this question, because I will show you the answer and the solution in 3, 2, 1. Alright, the answer to this question, the length of the segment x simply equal to 3 units. Now the question is, how do we get these 3 units? So here's the solution. To answer this kind of question, what we're going to do is to use the properties of a square. To be specific, we know that the opposite side of this square are parallel to each other, like this. So we will use the concept of parallel lines. And also, we will use the concept of a transversal line. To be specific, we will use the concept of these alternate interior angles. Because take note, when the two lines are parallel and cuts by this transversal line, then the alternate interior angles are congruent. So, let's apply this to our figure. Now, focus on this segment measures 3 units. So, let's extend this to the other side of the square, like this. So, using the concept of the alternate interior angles, if this angle is theta, the other angle is also theta. So, by alternate interior angle theorem. And also, we will use the same thing to this segment measures 2 units. So, let's extend this to the other side of our square. So, if this is theta, so the other angle is also theta. Now, from here, let's focus on this triangle. And take note, this triangle is an isosceles triangle because the base angle are equal. Since the base angle are equal, if this is 4, then this side is also equal to 4 units. Now, doing the same thing, same concept, if this is x, this is also x because this triangle is an isosceles triangle. Now, let's focus on these 2 straight segments. The length of this segment is 3 plus x, and the length of the other segment is 2 plus 4 or 6. Now take note, when we rotate the figure, these 2 segments are parallel to each other. In short, they must be the same length. So, we can say that x plus 3 equals 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. Subtract 3 on both sides. Therefore, the value of x, or the segment x, simply equal to 3 units. And that is our answer to this question. Therefore, given this figure, then our answer to this question is the length of the segment x equals 3 units. And as always, we are done.